What's up everyone, welcome back. Today I'm doing a quick initial thoughts and setup video on the Wi-Fi Pineapple pager from Hack 5. This is actually my first dedicated pen testing device, so I want to take a beginner's perspective approach, focusing on what it does, why it's useful, and how I think it fits in real world scenarios. So this is my most anticipated, highly requested Christmas gift. I actually unwrapped it this morning, so Merry Christmas to everyone. If you also received a pineapple pager for Christmas, shout out in the comments, Santa came through. Alright, so what the device is. So at a high level, the Wi-Fi Pineapple Pager is a portable wireless awareness tool. It's designed to monitor nearby Wi-Fi activity and alert you when something interesting or potentially suspicious happens. So this is about visibility, awareness, and reconnaissance, not really necessarily hacking networks on the spot. So with that said, we're going to go ahead and set it up. Alright, so like it says on the box, you want to make sure that your device is fully charged. That LED light is going to change to a solid green. And after that, we can move on to the next step. Okay, for the next portion, type in the setup page URL, which is https :/hack5.org/pager-setup. But yeah, you're going to scroll down to where it says download the firmware, click on the link, download the file. All right, so now it's time to connect the device to the computer. All right, and then we are going to hold the power button for 5 seconds and wait to get to the ready screen. All right, and now that you're at the firmware screen, select firmware, upload, and just let it upload. After that, the firmware will be installed, and you can go ahead and play with your device.
You've got mail.
Okay, so the reason why I wanted to open these up is because I needed to cover the desk. It's gonna go here. And a short break from this video sponsor. Alright, so really quickly, let's just get the workshop lights on. Been through some phases in life, as you can tell. On this side, we got the 3D printing, little double-decker house right here. Stickers. Gotta have some stickers, you know. As you can see, trying to cover up this. This is the before and the after. Oh, that's fine. Alright, so what's going to be covering the majority of the desktop? Of course, I had to get a Linux desk mat with tucks on it. And bam! Look at that. And this is how we're feeling when we're actually working. Moving forward with the video. What is this setup missing? I don't know why this bag is so big and the item in here is so small. And boom, there we go. Like I was insinuating earlier, we got a mouse. And this is the EUSO E1010. Ooh, that feels pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Move this to the side so we got some room to open everything else. So before I open this, quick disclaimer, this is my first model of this type of device. Boom, I'm stoked to have this. This took a while to get here, especially from Amazon, but dude, look at the mat. This is my first LilyGO T-Embed CC1101 Plus. I am super stoked to finally get this thing in my hands. This is a clear version. I'll go ahead and set this to the side and open this up in a little bit, especially to flash my new themes. And that is going to do it for today's video, guys. We have desk mats. We have
a mouse.
We've got gadgets and more on the way, and show you guys what I'm learning, because that's what makes this all fun. Oh, sorry, Kakashi.